In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate a repository in GitHub. This is a handy skill to have in your developer toolkit, as it allows you to work on a copy of someone else's project without affecting the original code. So let's dive right in. First things first, we'll want to make sure you're signed in to your GitHub account. This step is essential because you won't have the ability to fork a repository unless you're logged in. Now go ahead and open your favorite web browser and navigate to GitHub's site, entering your login credentials if you haven't already signed in. With your session active, you can head to the repository you want to duplicate. Let's say you found an interesting project on GitHub that you want to collaborate on or modify. Find and click on the repository's name, triggering a view that displays its contents. Once inside the repository, you'll notice a drop-down arrow beside the fork button, which usually rests near the top right section of the page. Go ahead and click on that arrow. You'll see an option that says, Create a new fork. Give it a click, and now you are almost ready to duplicate the repository. You'll be redirected to a new page, which gives you some options before creating the fork. This page might allow you to customize aspects such as the repository name or include certain branches. However, for most cases, you can use the default settings. Simply click on the Create Fork button when you're ready. GitHub will start processing your request to create a fork, essentially your own duplicate of the original developer's repository. This is done entirely on the GitHub servers, so all you need to do is wait for them to work their magic. The process is usually quick, but the wait time might vary depending on the size of the project. Once the fork is created, congratulations are in order. You now have your own copy of the repository stored in your GitHub account. This copy is completely independent of the original, meaning any changes you make will not affect the original code base. You're free to experiment, make improvements, or even transform the project into something entirely new without any worry about disrupting someone else's work. There you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully duplicated a repository on GitHub. You're now set to contribute to the open source community or simply improve your own coding skills with your private copy of the project. Have a lot of fun experimenting.